Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. Please open your GK book, page number 40. So, children, till page number 39, we are already done. Now, today we will start page number 40. Okay. So, in this page, the topic is up, and away invention of the aeroplane. Okay. So, in this page, here is some description about the Wright brothers who invented the aeroplane. Okay, so we will just go through this page. Okay, the Wright brothers Wilbur were two American brothers who invented and built the world's first successful aeroplane. So if the question comes who invented aeroplane, so our answer will be Wright brothers, and their names are Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. Okay. Now the boys grew up loving to invent things. They got interested in flying when their dad gave them a toy helicopter that flew with the help of rubber bands. Okay, they experimented with making their own helicopters. So just like you children, when you have a new toy, if your mother and father gave you a new toy, so you started experimenting with that toy. Just like that, Wright brothers, their dad given them a helicopter toy, and they started experimenting with that helicopter. The first famous flight was made by Orville Wright. The flight took place at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina on December 17, 1903. So this flight took place in December 17, 1903. They chose Kitty Hawk because it had a hill. And why they chose this place? Because it had a hill, good bridges, and was sandy, would make landing safe in case of crash. And because it had a hill and good bridges and sandy, okay, so landing will be safe in case of crash. Okay, the first flight lasted 12 seconds and they flew for 120 feet. Okay, each brother made additional flights that were slightly longer. Okay, however, this invention was not easy. The Wright brothers had to work hard and experiment for years with gliders and other similar machines. The Wright brothers did not stop with their first flight. They continued to perfect their craft. Around a year later, in November 1904, Wright brothers took their newly designed aeroplane, the Flyer 2, to the air for the first flight lasting over 5 minutes. Thus, this is how this great invention took off. So, here are all the description about how the aeroplane was invented, and so please read this chapter very carefully. Okay, and now in page number 41 is a question and answer express. This is just revision of the previous pages. So let's see what is in this. What is the young one of deer called? So the young one of deer is called fawn. What is the favorite food of rabbits and hares? So carrot. Fish breathe through fins, true or false? So it is false because fish breathe through their gills. Name the largest animal in the world that is found in almost all oceans of the world. So this is blue whale. Already we have done in the previous pages. Name the fastest running animal that can run at a speed of 110 km per hour. So cheetah. What is the another word for a huge sea wave caused by an earthquake on the ocean bed? So tsunami. The Taj Mahal is in Agra, built of which stone? So this is marble. Which device helps to put words and pictures from computer onto paper? So the answer is printer. Who invented the light bulb? So your answer is Thomas Alva Edison. And the first airplane was invented by the Wright brothers. True or false? The answer is true. Just now we have done this. So children, please do both the pages. Go through this page and do this question answer. And children, one more thing I want to tell you about your GK test. Children, in your GK test, I have given you two chapters, that is two topics I have given you, that is one word for, and the next topic is newborns. Okay, so children, if I have given you one word for, that doesn't mean that you will prepare only these 4 or 5 questions. No, one word for means according to your class 2, because children, this is GK. Okay, so don't limit your knowledge. Okay, so if I have given you one word for, so that doesn't mean that only these 4 or 5 things will come. Okay, one word for, that means any thing and related to this topic, anything can come. Example I am giving you. If I said right, who makes table and chairs, then you will write the answer carpenter. Okay, one who polishes our shoes, that is cobbler. Okay, one who cures our diseases, that is doctor. Like this you can prepare more questions. Okay, so don't just stick with this 4 and 5 questions. Okay, last time I heard about this, that's why I'm telling you this. And now the next, that is newborn. So in newborns you are saying that only few names are given here, so don't stick to this. Okay, learn some more newborns, baby animal and baby names. Okay, children, so please keep this in your mind. One word for that you can prepare more questions in one word for. Okay, and here it is. Don't stick to only 4 and 5 questions. Okay, and if your one more topic I have given you, that is newborn, so please learn more animals and babies name after this. Okay, that's all for today, dear children. Have a good day, and if you have any queries regarding GK, please ask me during 12 to 1. Thank you. Have a good day.